Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use two fonts on your Squarespace announcement bar. This is a great way to make your announcement bar more visually interesting and help important information stand out. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to squarespace.com and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard where you can see all the websites you manage. From the dashboard, simply click on the website where you want to use two different fonts in your announcement bar. This will take you into the editing interface for that specific site. Give it a moment to load completely before proceeding to the next step. Now focus your attention on the left side menu. Click on Website and then underneath that option, click on Pages. This is where you can access various settings and customization options for your site's content and appearance. Next, shift your focus back to the left side menu and look for Marketing Tools. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From those options, click on Announcement Bar. This is the feature we'll be customizing today. Once you're in the announcement bar settings, go ahead and enable it if it's not already active. Now here's an important step. Create your text or paragraph within the announcement bar and make certain portions of it bold. The bold formatting is what will indicate which text will use your second font. This is essentially how you differentiate between the two fonts you want to display. After you've formatted your text with the bold sections where you want them, click Save to preserve your changes, then navigate back to the Pages menu. This ensures your content is stored before we move into the coding phase. Back on the left side menu, click on Custom Code and underneath that, select Custom CSS. This is where the magic happens and where you'll define which fonts apply to which text. Now I already have an example code ready for you. Feel free to pause the video here so you can copy the code and then paste it directly into the custom CSS field. This code will target the bold text in your announcement bar and apply a different font to it. Once you've pasted the code, you can edit the font family values to match whatever fonts suit your website's design and branding. Take your time here to make sure the fonts complement each other well and align with your overall aesthetic. After you've made your font selections and you're happy with how everything looks, click Save to apply all your changes. Your announcement bar should now display two different fonts exactly as you intended, and there you have it. You've successfully customized your Squarespace announcement bar to use two different fonts, making your announcements more dynamic and visually appealing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.